everybody, so let me go ahead and show you what I've been working on. So here are the pouches. These are little pouches, and each of these pouches there's going to be going some sequins in there. So I've already sewn them around them, and I have like a little gap right here to open it, and I hope I have enough room. Anyways, I should have left enough gap in here. I can't even open it, my goodness. There you go. So you open it, and then you throw your sequins in there, and all you have to do is re-sew it. I did a bigger gap on here. I was still trying to get the hang of it. I think that's why I left this one open and this one partially open. So these have a little bit more room, so I could, you know, put my sequins in here. And then I also made these heart ones. I've been making them throughout the whole month. And basically, how did I get a template out of here? I went ahead and traced it with Sharpie around it. So all I have to do is get an alcohol pad and just clean it off. And this is my template that I use. This is a foam heart that I had from Hobby Lobby from last year. So I went ahead and traced it. There you go. And then I just went ahead and sewed around it. And I left a little gap right here for my sequins. So how am I doing these? Actually, I am using my page protectors. I have a whole bunch of page protectors. My sister had gotten some way back, when she used to work at a office store, and I had bought some and I still had them. So I'm like, okay, why am I hoarding these things? I could use them so nicely. And this one's already cut because I did another project here, but let me go ahead, and this is just a new one. So let me go ahead and show you what I basically do, so that way you guys understand what I'm talking about. So I might take off the volume on this part, not too sure, we'll see. And if it does get on your nerves, you guys, well, you could always fast forward it, because sometimes people don't like to watch people sew. So let me go ahead and so as you guys seen, the Paper Treasury, Crafting with Liller, they all do these kind of projects, and so many other crafters, talented crafters, do these kind of projects. Honestly, I have had my sewing machine. I just don't know why I was waiting so long just to do this project. I have no idea, but now that I've been doing it, I'm loving it. And I can try the fast forward one. Let's see. Sorry, you guys. This is my kids' table, so I do apologize for that. You guys see how that table started jumping? Oops. Oops. So basically what I do is I actually go all around it. So this one I'm going to go over here to this corner. Actually, I'm going to go straight right here on this one. And I will show you why I am doing this one, because I am doing another project. This is something different I came up with. I don't know if somebody else has done it, but I am going to go ahead and show you guys what I've been doing with some of these as well. I might not have gone straight, but it's okay. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. You guys have this on the side. If you guys don't have one, it's awesome. An awesome feature. So right here, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this part right here, because I will use this as a shaker, this part right here. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I do apologize. Like always, I'm always out of frame. So I am going to cut right here, right at the edge. Try not to cut too closely, because you might end up cutting your own stitches. So make sure you leave like a 1/8 of an inch right there. And wow, so I closed it all up. Wow. So sad I did that. But no, the reason I did that is because I am going to cut about, should have been halfway. If I would have sewn this whole thing, it would have just been halfways that I'm gonna cut, because I would have sewn all around here and just cut this part right here in the middle after I was done sewing. So let me show you what I am doing. So I'm leaving this part like that, and I do not cut a straight line, so I do apologize. Yeah, I figured I wasn't gonna cut a straight line. So I have this left over, and I can use this for a shaker as well. So what am I gonna do with this part, right? Move this out of the way. So I've been making rosettes as well. So I've already sent some out, and oh my goodness, I love the color combination. It is so beautiful. So this is what I am gonna do. I put two rosettes of each color and fix it around a little bit, and then you put it in here. Put it in there, and then it looks so beautiful, right? So after that, I go ahead and make a sequin mix. I had one, I don't know what I did with it, but I am going to do another one. So let's go ahead and do that right now, since I have you guys here. I found this sequin mix I had stashed away. So excited when I found it. I was like, yeah! So mix it in there. I'm going to put some of this clear one. And I think I'm going to try to put some of these. Start using up the stash that I have, and I think that should be fine. And mix it. I usually have a stir somewhere around here, then I'm going to put it at. Oops. So what am I going to do? I am going to go ahead and fix this. And I already made a few. I've already sent those out. And I just wanted to show you guys how I did this. Put some of that sequins in here. Maybe put some of these big ones in here. There we go. Oops. Excuse my mess, people. Excuse. Oh, did I show you guys this? Look at this one. I made this balloon. Oh my god, I thought it was so cute. So I have the birthday sequence, and then I put the balloon sequence in here as well. And look at this. I know it can get improved. I will try to improve that. And I'm just still playing and working with all this right here. So usually, let's see. Let's put it out. Yeah, that's fine. So now what I'm gonna do is make sure I hold this down, because your sequence, if you don't hold this down, your sequence is gonna fall over. I've had that happen already, so that's why I am saying. So excuse my hands on the way. So basically your hands pushing this down, hoping that the sequence doesn't go down, and just start sewing on it. And I do apologize if all you see is my hand. Still learning how to fix this. And I think my sewing machine got stuck. Great, what a time to get stuck. Oh, so doing a double stitch. I don't know why it's doing a double stitch, but okay, we'll just go with it. Let's do a double stitch. It's the first time it does that on that. First that it does that on that. Never had that happen before. Huh. Let me see if I can reset it. Turn it off and do it. I don't know, that's weird. That is the weirdest thing ever. I don't know, my mechanical stuff has been messing up lately. Wow. I am so shocked. So anyways, it did a double stitch on the top. I have no idea why it ended up doing that. It's never done that before. It's my first. So there you go. You have some Happy Mail and some Rosettes. So I'm making a whole bunch of these. Making shakers with these extra ones that I have. And there you go. That is my project for this month. And like I said, I've been working on this, already been sending out. And I just wanted to show you this really quick on how I did this. And you can always decorate this part, embellish it a little bit more so the recipient, whoever receives it, enjoys it a little bit more and they're like, yay! Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch.